Men Shrine. Lingara Temple of Bhubaneswar. Which temple is called Temple City of Indian Men's Shrine? Lingara Temple of Bhubaneswar. Which temple has 108 temple has 108 pillars? Jagmohan Lingaraj Temple. Lingaraj Temple Bhubaneswar. Which temple near Dhauli Ashoka Edict? Dhauli Shanti Stupa. Ashoka Edict. Dhauli Ashoka Edict. Temple tank is called Bindusagara near tank near Lingaraj Temple Bindusagara. Temple famous Alasakarnet sculpture. Actually, which temple is known for the erotic sculpture Odisha? Rajan temple erotics, sexual pictures. Which temple part of a diamond triangle Buddhist site? Lingaraj is Hindu, Buddhist. Lalitagiri has no temple. Which temple Jaspur is Shakti Pitha, Birja temple Jaspur. Which temple 108 pillar Lingaraj temple Jagmohan? Near the sanctum. Where the sanctum of deity is placed in front of the temple is Jagmohan. So 180 pillar. Which temple near Dhauli has Ashoka Stupa, Dhauli Stupa, Dhauli Shanti Stupa, Ashoka Edict. Jaspur is the Shakti Pitha. Jaspur is the Shakti Pitha. Jaspur is the Shakti Pitha which is Viraja temple, which is cave temple near the Bhubaneswar. Which temple has famous Alasa Kanya sculpture? Konark temple. Alasa. Erotic sculpture in Odisha. Rajaran temple. Erotic sculpture in Odisha. Rajaran temple erotic sculpture. Which temple is part of diamond triangle? Lingaraj Hindu. Is Hindu. Buddhist Lalitagiri has the no temple. Erotic sculpture Rajaran. At a diamond triangle. Ratnagiri, Lalitagiri. Lalitagiri has no temple. Ratnagiri Mahavihara. Lalitagiri, Udayagiri, Ratnagiri. Which cave temple near Bhubaneswar has Hathi Gumpha inscription? Udayagiri cave Rani Gumpha. Caves Rani Gumpha, Hathi Gumpha. Jaspur Shakti Pitha Viraja temple. Shakti Pitha Viraja temple. Which Odisha temple? Called Black Pagoda which is Konark temple. Odisha temple is called White Pagoda Jagannath temple Puri. Part of Chardham which is Jagannath temple Puri. Part of Chardham Jagannath temple Puri. Which temple flag is opposite Jagannath temple Puri. There is a kitchen. Jan chariot, Konark temple, Jan chariot. How many wheels? 24 wheels and acting as sundials. Narasimha Konark temple, East Bengal dynasty. Mukteswar temple, architecture. Mukteswar temple Bhubaneswar is called gem of Odisha architecture. Lingaraj temple Bhubaneswar, related to Harihara. Bhubaneswar Lingaraj temple, greatest temple, largest temple. Must transition to later king style, later calling style. Mukteswar temple, transition of calling styles. Mukteswar temple. Which temple built of red and yellow sandstone. Red, lal, yellow sandstone valley pathar and called love temple. Rajan temple. Which temple has no presiding deity. Rajan temple of Bhubaneswar, no presiding deity. Rajan temple. No presiding deity Rajan temple. Which is one of the oldest temple of Bhubaneswar, Parsurameswara temple, 7th century. Semi-cylindrical roof. The Shakti worship, cylindrical. Bhaital Devula Bhubaneswara. Parsurameswara temple, 7th century. It is one of the oldest temple in Bhubaneswar, Parsurameswara temple, 7th century. The temple has semi-cylindrical roof for Shakti worships. Baitara Deula Bhubaneswar. Baitara Deula Bhubaneswar temple has semi-cylindrical roof. What is the Khakara style in Odisha? Semi-cylindrical roof. Khakara style. Khakara style in Odisha which is semi-cylindrical roofs in Baitara Deula. Vishnu temple in Bhubaneswar. Ananta Vasudeva temple. Ananta Vasudeva temple, Vishnu temple in Bhubaneswar. Only Vishnu temple. What is the Khakara style in Odisha? Semi-cylindrical roof. Festival involves Jagannath idols. Navakalabara 12 to 19 years involves replacing Jagannath idols. 12 to 9 years.